In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a backdated email in Gmail. Before we dive into the process, it's important to note that sending backdated emails can be looked upon as misleading or even unethical, depending on the context. Make sure you're using this information responsibly and ethically. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and going to Google Search. Once there, type in "How to send backdated email in Gmail" and hit Enter. This will pull up a list of resources and guides that can help you understand the concept and technicalities of backdating emails. Now, after you've familiarized yourself with what backdating an email means and entails, the next step is to navigate to your Gmail account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account where you intend to send your email from. Once you're all set in Gmail, click on the Compose button to start drafting your email as you normally would. At this stage, focus on writing your email content clearly and precisely. Remember, quality communication is key regardless of when the email is timestamped. At this point, it's crucial to emphasize that Gmail doesn't provide a built-in feature to send backdated emails. However, some third-party email programs and mail servers might offer an option to modify the timestamp of an email. These solutions often involve technical configurations and are typically not recommended for everyday purposes due to security and trustworthiness concerns. If you're considering using a third-party service, proceed with caution. Research the service thoroughly to ensure it's both reputable and secure, as granting third-party apps access to your email can have privacy implications. Look for reviews, user feedback, and ideally, opt for services that prioritize security and transparency. Now, if you've decided against third-party services, an alternative is to simulate sending an older email by structuring your email subject or body to reflect information that might suggest an earlier date. This approach respects the nature of honesty in communication without altering technological norms. Lastly, think about the reason you're contemplating sending a backdated email. Often, a direct and honest follow-up, even when overdue, may serve the purpose more effectively and ethically. So, there you have it. A guide to understanding the process of sending a backdated email in Gmail. While the steps are straightforward, they urge a responsible and conscience-driven approach. Use this knowledge wisely, and remember that transparent communication is always the most reliable path. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more informative content. Stay responsible and keep communicating effectively.